Hello everyone. Today we are discuss about platform level performance analysis. Platform level performance analysis platform hardware and associated software that is designed to serve as the basics for a number of different systems to be implemented to move data from memory to the CPU to process it. It's a data flow diagram. So CPU and main memory. Here first one, read data from memory. Then second, transfer over the bus to the cache memory. Then transfer from cache memory to the CPU. The time required to transfer from cache memory to CPU is included into the instruction execution time. Bandwidth is one of the major fact for performance measurement. Bandwidth is the rate at which data can move. Consider an image of 320 x 240 pixels with each pixel composed of 3 bytes of data. This gives a grand total of 230, 400 bytes of data. If these images are video frames, we want to check if we can push one frame through the system within the 1 by 30 seconds that we have to process a frame before the next one arrives. Parallelism. Direct memory access is a prime example of parallelism. DMA was designed to offload memory transfer from the CPU. The CPU can do other useful work while the DMA transfer is running. Transfer without DMA and with DMA. Here it is a transfer without DMA. Here CPU and memory and DMA and device. Here the transfer CPU to memory and CPU to device. And here transfer with the DMA. Here the CPU is not working. That time the DMA is send the data to memory and the devices. Thank you.